So I have this repository that I've newly created, and this is my project in my local machine. I have initialized the repository. I've done all these steps. But if I try to push using the git push command, I get this error, permission denied. So why is that? Now note that it is saying permission is denied to the code city, but the owner of this repository is not the code city, it's this user. So how can you fix this? So what's the issue is it's basically trying to push as the user the code city, but the owner of this repository is not the code city, it's the wish. So what you can do is Windows is using the saved credentials. So you can remove that credential. That is the easiest step. So press your Windows key and search for credentials, and you will see credential manager. Click on this and click on Windows credentials. Scroll down till you reach to the Git section. Here it is. And here you will see GitHub. Click on this and you will see that it is saved for the code city user. Now you can just click on remove. Click on yes. And now let's try to push again, and it should ask you the permission again. As you can see, this time it asks you sign in with your browser, and it gives you this connect to GitHub option. So just click on sign in with your browser. And here authorize your user with which you want to push. So this is my user, right? So I want to continue with this user. And if I go back, as you can see, it is saying pushing and the push is complete. If I go back to the repository and reload, I'll see the changes here and the file is added. So this is how you can fix the permission denied error in GitHub. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.